Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the Sculpey Cutters. Sculpey stainless steel cutters are a great tool to use to get perfect shapes every time. We have a large selection of different graduated sizes, everything from circles to hearts. Sculpey cutters are really easy to use. You'll notice that the cutters have a rolled edge and a sharp edge. Always make sure that the sharp edge is biting into the clay and that the rolled edge is next to your hand. This is both for safety and for a really clean cut edge. So first, I have a sheet of clay all rolled out flat. I have it well burnished down to my work surface. I'll just use hand pressure to make sure I push the cutter all the way down to the work surface. Then I just give a gentle twist to make sure I'm all the way through. Lift the cutter out, and you've got a really nice shaped piece. Now I always burnish the edges with my fingertips to make sure the edge is nice and clean, there's no little burrs of clay, and takes away a little bit of the cookie cutter look. Now let me show you another tip for creating the same type of cut but with a beveled edge. You can use a piece of saran wrap and just burnish that down on top of the clay. Now I'll use the exact same cutter that I used before, and I'll push through with hand pressure. So I'm cutting right through the clear stretch wrap and all the way to my work surface. Then remove the cutter. I want to go ahead and cut the inside of this as well, just to show you another technique. I'm going to line up a smaller circle on the inside and push it all the way through. Now when I remove the cling wrap, I have pieces with really nice beveled edges. A little bit different than the look of that piece. Also, since I cut out the middle, I have this little piece that if I wanted to make some earrings, I would have the larger statement piece at the bottom, and I could connect my little button piece at the top for a post or even for an ear wire to create a large statement earring. Another fun way to create with the cutters is to use combinations of cutters. So here's an oval cutter. Just twist it gently to make sure it cut all the way through, then remove that. Then I can use one of these irregular shaped pieces and cut out a little hole in the center. This makes a really nice little decorative center cut hole that I could put my jump ring through to create a statement piece for a pendant. The Sculpey cutters are great for all types of projects, from jewelry to home decor.